So, welcome to my first video. It's gonna be something pretty easy. A coworker of mine asked me to design a pen holder for her in the shape of a flower, and basically what I did is I created a circle, like two circles I created. First this circle, 10mm extrusion, created the second circle, like that. This is as an extrusion. After that I made this. Basically I checked how much space for 8 leaves I need or I have. So this is the line that has the exact same length. It's 21.59mm because this is a 55mm diameter, and then this is just 30 mils with a 70-degree angle, like 110 in here each. Yeah, and then just 20 degrees of a part of a circle, and also the same here, which I just connected all those. Made that an extrusion, and then made a last sketch, which is basically just again the outer lines of this. Made it an extrusion, and then after that I made a polar pattern. Yeah, that's basically it. I put it into Ultimaker, made a slice of it, and then yeah, it's pretty nice. You can even change the size of it. I put it to 70% of its original size, but I kept the height. So yeah, you will see that when it's finished. Alright, so took 3 hours to print approximately, but it's finished. It printed pretty well, no supports needed or anything. The only thing you can see in the second picture you're seeing right now, strings at the bottom that it printed out, and in the middle there's a little problem with the circle because usually printers can't print really circular circles without a little seam where they always start. But that's okay. It's quite sturdy for just about like 1mm wall thickness without filling in the middle. It's also 1mm. It's okay. It's a nice quality. You can work with it. Alright, if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, comment, subscribe,